Alright, so I'm going to show my BIOS flash screen, my grub GFX boot screen, like the splash screen in the menu, and my multi-boot setup. So I just in Windows 7, gonna reboot now. Show the whole startup. Alright, so here's my BIOS loading screen. Use a little tool from ASUS called MyLogo, and you can just choose a picture, get like the BIOS file, combine them together, get a new BIOS, and then flash your motherboard with like the new BIOS version, and you get the new picture. Then I used Ubuntu to like install grub-gfx-boot and make this picture and edit my menu.list so that I can have my multi-boot. I have Ubuntu 9.04, Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit, and Windows XP Professional 32-bit, and also some older kernel versions, older Linux kernel versions, and memory test. So that's what I got right now. It's set up to, if I don't press anything, it'll just boot up and go to Windows 7, and then I just have to press down. Like if I do it within 3 seconds, I just press down and then go to Windows XP Professional, press up, go to Ubuntu 9, or yeah. So let me show you this. I got my multi-boot goes to Ubuntu. Loads up pretty quick most of the time. Loads up pretty quick most of the time. And I have to use Ubuntu so that I can edit the grub-gfx-boot. That's the bootloader where it has that menu where I can choose what operating system I want to boot into. And also, like I edited that picture with GIMP by like you can take other GFX-boot boot like menu, like the whole boot menu thing. It's an archive. There's a command, you extract all the files, edit them, and then extract them back together and edit your menu.list. So like it'll choose that archive, it's like message.new is what I named it, and choose the operating systems and everything, like where like you have to map what hard drive it is, and you choose the title and all the boot options. But so that works. I get into Ubuntu and I use that. Usually if I just want to check my email real quick or do something easy, then loads up again, Windows 7, boot up into that. I think I got my system running pretty stable now. Like when I choose Windows 7, it's just like grub is just mapped to boot to a different hard drive and just starts the bootloader of that hard drive, which on this one is Windows Vista, Windows 7, which I've been using for a little while. And I use that to, like, that's where I have Sony Vegas and Microsoft Visual Studio, like upload videos to YouTube and stuff, and also for playing games. Like use Windows 7 for that. And I also, and it boots up pretty fast too, and it runs really fast. I like it. restart out of this. Show you that boot logo one more time in the grub screen. One plugin, force restart. Yes. I just want to show that like it actually boots up into those operating systems and everything. Okay. BIOS screen. I just made this picture. Like I downloaded that picture, opened it up in Microsoft Paint, put loading, changed the like bit depth and everything. Then I used GIMP to edit this picture. It was like the same picture, that girl in the background. Boot up into Windows XP. There you go. So that's the multi-boot. The ASUS MyLogo, choosing that picture for the boot splash. Then boot up into the hard drive that I have that has grub-gfxboot. Boots up into that. Select operating system. And I'm looking for ideas. You know, I'd like maybe something else. I mean, besides that picture of the girl. I just picked that because I thought it was pretty clean and it was like neat and it was easy, and I was really just trying to see if I could get it to work, and I did. And I wanted to have all 3 operating systems, and I wanted to have a menu so I could choose which operating system I boot up, and I wanted to have the same pictures for the BIOS screen and the grub-gfx, and I do. So, yeah, it's good stuff. It's cool. Later.